The BetterWeigh mobile towing scale is a great tool to measure the weight of your payload in the back of your vehicle. Before you load your vehicle, we recommend selecting the weight readout of the scale that best suits your towing scenario that gives the clearest weight readout. To change the weight readout, click the gear in the upper right-hand corner and select Payload. Here you can choose the readout that best suits your scenario. To calculate payload, BetterWeigh needs to get a measurement of the pitch of your vehicle before it is loaded. Select the payload feature from the home screen and park your vehicle in a spot where you intend to load it, and then get out of the vehicle and press Ready. Make sure that nothing is touching or disturbing the vehicle in any way while the BetterWeigh takes its initial measurement. Anything that affects the pitch of your vehicle after this reading will be measured as a change in payload weight. Once this initial measurement is complete, you can load your truck bed and get your payload measurement in real time. Now you're ready to haul safely. Know what you tow with the BetterWeigh mobile towing scale.